Breaking news reports are coming in that Lazy Punk is up, and it's only early afternoon. Hello, Mr. Punk, did you sleep well? Have you been sleeping with speakers again? That's a really bad habit. And how can you sleep using an amplifier as a pillow? You really are a funny punk.
Morning, AI. Yeah, I was sleeping with speakers and amplifiers again last night, AI, and I slept very nice. I had a pair of leek sandwich, the Model 600 to snuggle up to, but that weren't such a good idea because they're so massive. I kept waking up in the night and having to tell them to budge over a bit. But for my pillow I had a lovely amplifier, the Sugden P51. It's a little old-fashioned power amp. Oh, lovely it is. And it was really comfy. We'll review that another day, the Sugden, because it's absolutely lovely. So how are you, AI? You're looking nice today. And I'll tell you what, AI, I had a bit of a drama last night with Robin. Because if you watched the other day, if you watched the video about the Technics SA-300L, at the end, Robin was telling lies. So I flicked him off the table and he got the right ump, but he's got to learn not to tell lies. I said he could have a little bit at the end to tell one of his Batman stories, which he was happy with. So I said, come on Robin, do a Batman story. And he started going on, telling lies about being in the Batmobile doing 800 mile an hour. Now, not being funny, the new Batmobile, I don't even reckon that brand new Batmobile does 800 mile an hour, but that old thing Robin used to go in, with the roof missing and the bonfire in the back, that thing, you was lucky if you got 95 out of that thing. So him doing 800 mile an hour, he was just making it up, so I flicked him off the table. But he copped the right little mood on. So, trying to sort him out. Right little cop on. Went up, started banging about in his room, made a right little mess. Wouldn't even ask him to do some cheese and biscuits, and he just went upstairs sulking. So, I've talked to him, I've cheered him up, he should be alright for the show, but this is what's been worrying me, AI. To cheer him up, I said he could have his little friend Donkey Kong over to stay for the week. And he's alright, old Donkey Kong, but you got to keep an eye on him. He makes such a mess. He pulls everything out, jumps all around the room. I know Robin likes him, and I quite like him. He's alright, little Donkey Kong, but he makes such a mess, and I've got him here for the week, AI. So that week, AI, is going to be an absolute nightmare. You're going to have a lot of tidying up to do, AI. And AI, do us a bit of breakfast and a coffee. Thanks, AI. Make it a fry up, AI. I'll have one of your nice fry ups, one of your specials, 2 egg, 2 bacon. I'll have a nice bit of bubble, couple of sausages, and no alphabeti spaghetti. Not after what happened the other day. I'll have tinned tomatoes. Thanks, AI. Oh, and AI, can you make that coffee in the Batman cup? Because it'll put a smile on Robin's face, and I'm still trying to cheer him up after the incident. Thanks, AI. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Just having a little catch up with AI. If you don't know what was going on there, why Robin's got such a little cob on, I'll put the clip at the end. So if you stick around, I'll show you at the end of this one why Robin had a little face on him like thunder. Right, so now let's get on with some serious hi-fi reviewing. We got a great one today. It's the Technics SA-300L. Really nice amplifier. This one I've got is absolutely mint. There ain't a mark on it. It is lovely. It's one of the nicest condition ones I got. Most of them have a little ding here and there. They're old. But this thing is absolutely mint. So, yeah, you gotta like it because of that. Yeah, it's lovely condition. I love an amplifier in nice condition. They're quite rare for the age. So this thing, it was made 1978. It's 38 watts per channel into 8 ohms. So it's quite powerful. That's old 38 watts. So that's up there. That's got a lot of power for one of these vintage. This thing, crank it up, yeah. This thing's got some guts to it, I'll tell ya. And it's the SA-300L. They did a SA-300. This is the L. So I think it's the L. If I remember right, it's got a much better long wave radio parts in it. That's why it's called the L. It's exactly the same as the 300, but the L has just got better long wave radio capabilities. I think that's right. If I'm wrong, I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that is why it's called the L. So, really nice this one. Really nice condition. Nice sounding as well. You have a little look at what other people say about this in the reviews. People like this one. For the Technics, some of them old Technics, a bit hit and miss. But this one is a gem. Out of the bundle, this one is a really good one. It's got a really good sound. I do really like this amplifier. It's got a really good sound. It can create really nice soundstage. You get good bass out of this. You get lovely vocals. This amplifier will do everything you want. If you've got one of these indoors, you understand what I'm talking about. It really is a high class performer from Technics. Some of them Technics, they look good, but they don't really cut the mustard, let's say it that way. But this thing is really good. I've had a few of the Technics over the years because I like them, and it says it all because this one's still here. If I've got something and I don't really like it, it'll go. So this one has been with me quite a while, so that says it all. It's good, and I've kept it. I don't want to part with it. Whereas some of the other Technics, I've had them, been a little bit disappointed with them, and they've gone. The only ones I've sort of kept that maybe have not got that really excellent sound are some I had when I was a kid, because I've had them so long, they're like family, them old amplifiers, so I won't part with them. But if I get a new one and it don't quite cut the mustard, then it'll go, because I've got a lot. You got to be good to earn a place in my collection now. You got to be a good amplifier, else don't even bother trying. You'll be in here for a month and then you'll be on eBay and you'll be gone. You'll be someone else's problem, not mine. So yeah, but these Technics, yeah, me and Robin use it a lot. We like this one. It's really nice. Bit of jazz on this, or like something nice with female vocals. This one is a winner. But on the right speakers, nice set of speaker cables, this one can really have a classy sound to it, which is like, I like that. So yeah, it's a really nice amplifier. This one's worth buying. If you see one of these and it's nice condition and you could get your hands on it at a decent sort of price, it's a definite one to have this, because I think it's a bit underrated. No one really knows what it is, and it's really good. It should be more known than what it is, this one, because it's a really class amplifier. It's lovely to use. All the buttons, all the switches on this thing are really nice. It's like, it has got everything you want from a vintage receiver, this one, and it really is a cracker. It's brilliant. Yeah, I got a friend of mine, and he wanted to start his route down the little hi-fi journey, get something vintage. So he had a little word with me about it, about what I thought for him to buy, and I said, I'll tell you what, I'll lend you a few. You can have them like a couple of weeks, bring it back, I'll give you another one. And when you decide on what one you want, try and buy yourself one. Or a couple of them I'm willing to part with. So, I've lent him a few things. I think I gave him a little NAD 7020. He had that a couple of weeks. Oh, I'm not sure what else. I think I'll give him an old Sansui. A Sanyo I got, it's really nice, big like monster Sanyo. Gave him that, couple of others, and then I lent him this, and he was like, I had it a couple of weeks, and he was like, how much do you want with that Technics? I really like that one. I was like, no, that Technics ain't for sale, but we'll find you one. So we managed to get him one, and he's got the Technics as well, he likes it, so it is a good one, it's worth having, so yeah, great amplifier. So let's dive in and have a look at the front, have a butcher's at all them lovely switches and dials. Yeah, so look at the front, lovely the front of this one. Got everything you want, really got a nice look, and it's quite big and all, it's a bit chunky this one, it's nice. Alright Robin? Oh, he's still got a cob on there and even talking. On off button. Bit bass. Lovely. Speakers, A and B. Bit more bass. Treble. Filter. Loudness button. Balance. Tape selectors. Nice. Got your actual selector. Volume wheel. It's lovely, that volume wheel. And a nice dial. Nice volume wheel. Nicest one of any amplifier I got. This one clicks. It's just got the best volume wheel. Oh, let's have another go at that volume wheel. Yeah, no, it's lovely, that is. It's the best one of all of them I've got, that. Absolutely lovely. I could play with that all day. Alright Robin, you got to speak up Robin when it's your bit, no cob on. Are you not talking Robin? What are you going to say Robin? Say something good about the Technics Robin, do you like it? Yeah, I like this one, it's lovely condition, it's really nice sounding. Thanks Robin. Oh, he ain't that, what's that Robin? Oh, can I have this one in my room? Robin, you can't have this one in your room, because you've got Donkey Kong coming to stay, and this one in such nice condition, I'm not having him swinging all over it, he'll ruin it. What's that, Robin? Oh, please, can I have this one in my room? Robin, you're not having the nice Technics in your room. This one lives in the lounge, where it belongs. Donkey Kong will be over, all the buttons will be pulled off, all the front, and have all scuffs up here. You know what he's like. I'm not having Donkey Kong anywhere near my Technics. And if he does go near it, Robin, I'll be taking it out of your wages, mate. And you won't like that, Robin, because you're overpaid anyway, Robin. You earn too much. Yeah, so have a look at the back. All you want, phono, quite good phono. It's got them horrible speaker connections again. I don't really like them, but the fuses on the back are good, so you can just change your fuses if they blow. Never blown on this one, never changed them. Yes, have a look. Nice big air vent on the back, keep it cold. So yeah, good, see right inside. Nice, look at that wood veneer, lovely. Right, Robin, have you cheered up now? Yeah? You'll be happy. Donkey Kong will be over next week, Robin. Yeah, no, I'm looking forward to it. Alright, Robin. Maybe when Donkey Kong's gone, you could have the Technics in your room for a few weeks. Yeah, you'll be happy with that? Yeah. And can I have the leek sandwich on it in my room? The big leek sandwich? No, Robin, I'm not carrying them up into your room. If you can lift them, mate, then maybe, yeah, you can have them. But I don't think you can lift the leek sandwich. Have a nice little set of BW600, Robin. Sound lovely on this Technics. Well, that's all right, ladies and gentlemen. He seems to have cheered up because he had a right cob on today, and I hate it when Robin goes all moody because he's only little, but when he bangs and slams doors and starts stomping around, it's amazing how much noise he can make for such a little fella. So yeah, I'm glad he's all right. And last night he wouldn't even make cheese and biscuits, but now he's cheered up. Maybe later me and Robin have late night cheese and biscuits because he's good at making cheese and biscuits. He makes them nice. So I'll show you the clip, as I said. I'll show you the clip why Robin's got a little mood on, and hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, you'll understand why I flicked him off the table, because he had a bit of a little moody one that day, so to cheer him up, I said at the end of the show he could tell one of his little Batman stories, because he loves them Batman stories. They're all made up, but he really loves them. So I said, Robin, end of the show, give you a little 2-minute say of Batman, little story. So, yeah, that was it. I told him off camera, don't make one of these stories up, Robin. Do not lie, Robin. I want a truthful story about what happened with you and Batman. He said alright, but then when it come to his bit, I'm trying to teach him not to lie. He will exaggerate, he will lie, he does make a lot of stuff up. I'm trying to get him out of it. So when he's going on about in the Batmobile doing 800 miles an hour, I had to flick him off the table. I'm sorry I've done it, but hopefully he'll learn his lesson and he won't be doing it again. So I'll show the clip and make your own mind up, ladies and gentlemen. But 800 miles an hour in that old Batmobile, really? You see why I flicked him off the table. Go on, Robin, you're up, mate. Nice little Batman story. Truthful story, Robin. Yeah, me and Batman was in the Batmobile, driving down the road, doing 800 miles an hour. Oh, shut up, Robin. So that's it for today. Today's episode was about the Technics SA-300L. Thanks to AI, thanks Robin, thanks to the crew. This episode was brought to you by Mr. Punk UK Productions. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye.